All right, so here's just a quick video showing off that Nike Made in USA collection they came out with about a year ago. This is the black crew neck, size large, but because it's kind of got that like 80s, 90s style to it, it's actually kind of an oversized, but very thick. This thing will last forever. But what I wanted to do, especially before I wore it, was I wanted to give a homage to a really cool Nike manufacturing plant that was out of Saco, Maine. And it's actually where the Nike Air technology came about in 1978. So what I did was I just printed on the back here, Saco, Maine, home of Nike Air technology 78 to 85. So I designed this on the computer, cut it out, printed it, put it on here. So I just thought it was super cool since this was, the Made in USA collection for Nike, showing off where Nike Air was manufactured. And it was kind of like a secret program they had going on. And when they shut down the factory in 1985, all of that manufacturing facility and about 100 employees moved to Beaverton, Oregon, which we all know about Nike in Beaverton, Oregon. Obviously, they still embrace that a lot, but they've never embraced Saco, Maine, which was really cool because there was a lot of great shoes that came out of Saco. For example, like here's a 1977 Blazer. Now, this was 78 when Air came out, but in 1977, they didn't really have that Air technology, so this was a non-Air shoe. But just for example, the Air was actually inside the sole. You wouldn't have been able to see it. And it wasn't until Tinker Hatfield came about where he exposed that air bubble and kind of gave it this really cool style that we see today with like the Air Max 1, Air Max 90, even the new Air Max 270s, all those with all the air. So just wanted to show off, kind of, give some credit to Saco, Maine, which is super cool. So, I don't know, Nike, I think you should definitely do something, a little collaboration, showing off Maine. Obviously we got New Balance out of Maine, Nike was out of Maine, LL Bean's out of Maine. A lot of cool manufacturers and textiles came out of that state. Anyways, hope you enjoy, and time to pull these tags off and rock this thing.